There's the tiny homes.
Be over here.
That's Steve.
Yes.
That's Steve.
Yes.
Well, there's Desert Adventures in Arizona right there. And Okie. Look, we found somebody we know.
Super light.
What's up, Steve?
Hey! Here's a couple of nomads right here. Here's another one, huh? These are all-time nomads right here. Well, you need an Incred-I-Box.
Incred-I-Box?
Yes, sir.
One of our subscribers
Get in there and look around at that.
told us to find you.
No, our daughter needs one.
Doreen camped with her over in Tennessee.
Okay. Well, we're based out of Tennessee. Yep. So this is a 20-footer for $25,000, and this is a 16-footer for $20,000.
Oh yeah.
Insulated, strong, snow low too. Everything. Yeah. Tow it 4,300 pounds, 4,900 pounds.
Really?
Yeah. And it's insulated.
So you better give up on that school bus idea and talk to Randy about getting one of
Don't get a
these.
school bus.
Yeah, we're tossing it around.
Yeah, you'd be better off. I think the volume in here is amazing when you go inside. You got so much volume, and you can add to it. So we call it a DIY, decorate it yourself. And this is an example. Of
You
what
mind
you
this?
can do. Yeah, you're good, man.
Okay, thank you.
This has we painted. This is here. I put these pallets on here just to give you an idea that you could decorate this and paint it yourself. What's unique about this is you can live in this, right? While you're decorating it and while you're kind of spiffing it up. You don't have to be worrying about water problems or roof in there.
Yeah.
You can put your bed in there and you live in it while you add your own personality to it. Yeah.
Very nice setup. That's a water catcher, I believe.
Oh yeah. Well, go to our website. There's a link.
Wow. Is that a water catcher?
Yes, sir. So this one's
Ingenious.
completely off grid. We got a 100-gallon tank underneath here. You guys
Oh, I thought that was propane. I would have never thought of a water tank.
Yeah, it's a 100-gallon water tank, and we catch the water off of the roof. Yep, and then we've got a compost toilet. We got solar power, 4 panels up on the roof, 2 5K lithium batteries, a holding tank, and a tankless water heater.
Wow. So what's that
That's a
for?
water catchment, so that's a first flush. So when all your debris is on your roof, and when it rains, that first part of the water catches all the debris.
Yep. Okay.
That fills up with debris, and then the water bypasses it and fills it up with clean water.
Boy. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna go inside and look around.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I don't sell it at the shop like that.
Oh wow, man.
All right, go.
Okay, see you.
We'll see you guys.
Tiana needs this, baby.
Yeah.
Her doggies would fit. I like the shower.
Big shower too. I mean, 4 people could fit in that shower.
You got to sit down on the toilet.
And there's the Nature Head toilet.
That ain't bad size though.
No.
Refrigerator.
Very interesting.
Yep, I've never actually seen one up there.
Oh, there's a
But
fridge.
you could put a bigger one in. Storage above.
It's really not a bad space. It's got a
Look how he did the ladder.
shower and toilet and a little kitchenette space. Doesn't this? I mean, this one's not got a stove in or anything in it, but
Nice little bed, and check it out for the ladders. Wow.
Plenty of natural lighting too.
That is a great idea. That's
the reality is
Not
very
gonna break.
nice. Yeah.
next to the
Nice quality windows too. Very nice. Let's go look at the other one.
Okay.
And it fits, look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people in here comfortably.
We could have a good party. Yeah, dozens. I think they need dozens.
That
This
is
one ain't
pretty
very
cool.
bad either.
No, look at the roof. It's got tin roof.
I like that.
Look at that.
And then she could get her a
Oh,
little.
I like it already. It's got cast iron in it. Bathroom, bigger fridge,
Bathrooms.
bigger fridge.
I like this.
But that's
'cause it has a
awesome.
door. How are you? The other one didn't have a door. But you
Doesn't
can't
want
open
it
the door.
either.
What would you do with one of these if you had it?
Here's the pot.
Would you rent
Look,
it?
another shower.
Family in the backyard? So you want to
What's in here?
I don't know. I think it's the power system.
Oh, this is the one that's off grid. This is all totally solar and with MPPT inverter charger. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Little nature's head toilet.
They're advertising.
Or it says.
Where are those seminars?
They are down
Very
the way,
nice.
take a left. There is a.
He actually might be
tent
staying
that
in
you'll
this one.
see, and it's a media tent.
Yeah.
I like what
Yeah, you're welcome.
style.
I got a
They both are. Hopefully the wind's not real bad, but it's picking up. This one, fully off grid. This one's not. But you can make it off grid. Really easy.
But they're towable.
And both towable, yes. There, y'all can scan that. More info. We could live on one of these.
Yeah.
200.
And you can tow.
Yeah.